We gotta get our life in order. What I did this morning was sleep. Yeah, let's expose myself now. Why did you shut the garage door when I'm just going out there? Hello, good morning. Welcome to another video. We gotta get our life in order. It's the 22nd of January and this year has just been full of anxiety and sleeping all day and avoiding everything, literally everything. So like the only thing I've been doing is like I show up to the gym and then I do nothing. So we're getting our life together today. I have a meeting at work at 1 till 3. Thank God it's a short meeting. Although I do have to give a presentation at said meeting and I'm kind of nervy. Just a little bit nervy. Goals for today. Workout, which done. I want to go for a hot girl walk today. I'm gonna assume I'm not doing that till after my meeting though because it's summer. Clean my motherfucking room. Clean my car. And then I need to edit and post this video. Oh, and I want to read. I've stolen this book off my mom only because I told her that I wanted to buy it and then she said she already had it. So it's mine now. Sell out. I'm not giving a fuck. Let's go home. I think I'm gonna have a little mini yogurt bowl. My diet's been so hard because I haven't been making money because I haven't been working. So I haven't been buying my own food. I've like kind of just been relying on whatever's in the house, depending on what house I'm at. So I have not been eating well. Okay, so I've been to my work meeting. What I did this morning was sleep. I don't know what's going on and like, because I was like, oh, I just want like 10 minutes of TikTok time. Pass the fuck out. Like, why the fuck is that happening? But we're gonna lock in for the next hour at least, pump out a bunch of cleaning, get that all sorted. Because I don't even live in this room and it's this bad. It's so bad. So yeah, we just needed like an hour, 2 hours, smash out the cleaning. And then yeah, yeah. All right, I'm about to show you how bad the room is. I do know that I posted literally a cleaning video like a week, 2 weeks ago. So this is how it's bad. I'm also decided we're putting in a cleaning playlist on Spotify. My phone is going away / I'll be filming for an entire hour non-stop. Like I'm not allowed to go on my phone, no texting people, no TikTok, nada. Yeah, let's expose myself now. Okay, start the time lapse. Okay, we've made progress. Made progress. This is what the room's looking like now. Still trashed. Bed is looking a lot better because majority of the clothes are gone. Are you ready? oh my goodness, and ready to come around. I mean, it needs a vac, but then you come around the corner and you're like, oh my goodness, so clean. So clean. Just, yeah, I'm gonna deal that whole area over there. Okay, I did my first round of rubbish. The room is, it's just really slowly getting there. Definitely have so much rubbish to take out to the bin, but like I want to fill these bags like full of rubbish before I take them out because I don't want to have to keep taking my actual bin out. I think the next step, honestly, because I don't know what to do with the stuff on my bed right now, is like I need to take everything off my desk that's not meant to be there and everything and really sort through it all. And that's I think the next course of action. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really know. I've got a couple clothes that like I can't hang up because I don't have the coat hangers, so I'm gonna need to go buy coat hangers, which is kind of annoying, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Okay, progress has been made. I've done a second bin trip. My room is actually feeling so much better. Like, basically all the mess is now just on my bed. And I haven't slept in this bed for 2 weeks. So if the mess stays on the bed until it has a place to live, I'm okay with that. Low key. Like, that is all the mess I have. Well, apart from like the rubbish. This, I actually don't know what to do with it. Don't know what to do with the stuff in that Woolies bag. So it's just staying there. That's going to Trouble's house. Otherwise, everything is like pretty clean. Thank God. I'm gonna pack for Troubles for the whole weekend real quick. And then hopefully in doing that, I might get some more coat hangers to hang up these clothes. Maybe. I don't know. I really don't know. But we'll figure it out. Okie dokie. My bed has still got stuff all over it. But I'm done for the day. I'm done. I'm gonna be heading to Trouble soon. And I reckon I did a good chunk of cleaning. I got a bit of a crazy weekend, potentially, ahead of me. Potentially not. And then I go back to work next week. So we're gonna see what happens. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this random little cleaning video. If you have any videos that you really want to see from me, let me know in the comments. Yeah, that's all I have to say. Okay, bye.